Hey guys, welcome back to my channel TechMelts. So today we are going to unbox this mini USB LED lamp. So let's dive right in. As you can see, this LED lamp is lightweight, which makes it perfect for on-the-go use. This lamp itself has a flexible neck, allowing you to adjust the angle and position it as needed. These are fantastic features, especially if you are using it for reading, studying, or even as a night light. And on the other hand, we have a standard USB connector. This means you can plug it into various devices like laptops, power banks, and even car chargers. So now I will plug it into my power bank. And here, look at that. The instant illumination. The LED light is bright and provides a soft, comfortable glow. It is not too harsh on the eyes, and this light is so bright and provides a soft, comfortable glow, as you can see. And you can use at night for any emergency cases. So guys, that's it for today's unboxing video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech related content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.